Hi everyone, Tashdile, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to put the GoPro 8 screen protector. So here is the screen protector. Actually this is a brand new, I didn't use it yet. As you can see here, it's a brand new. So what I like to do is I want to put the screen protector before I use it, so in case, so for my safety. So that's why I'm gonna do it now. So I'm going to show you guys step by step. All right, you never know when you drop. If you drop the GoPro, it's going to damage your lens, and to fix the lens is not cheap. It's very expensive. The warranty that comes with the GoPro is not cover the body of the GoPro. It's only covered for the inside in case it's not working, So that's why it's very important to do very be careful from your side, you know what I'm saying. I hope I'm not gonna drop, but you never know, right? All right, let's get started. So first thing first, number one, I have to wrap it, this one. Now I'm gonna use a dry one. I think that is it. All right, so this is number one, the red one, number one. So peel the number one first, then number two, peel the green one. So first peel this one out, and that means it goes to here. You see, it's automatically close it, so make sure there's no air bubble. Okay, Yep, that is it. Alright, so this one's much easier because they already put the plastic here, so I just remove the plastic. That's it. Here we go. Which is number one. It's gonna close automatically. Yep, here you are. Very beautiful. Yep, I like it. That is it. Alright guys, so this is how you put the screen protector. And make sure you like it, share it, subscribe, and leave the comment below. And I'll see you in my next video.